As you can see, the slot on the key cylinder is at a slant, and it should actually be straight up and down. So what we're doing is we're going to remove the faceplate in order to access the set screw on that keyed cylinder and verify that it is at its proper location. Now that he's removed the screws from the faceplate, pull it off, and as you can see right here, that is the set screw. So we want to remove that completely out of the lock. Okay, we're replacing the Archetype latch on this door. The faceplate's already been removed, and the set screw that holds the keyed cylinder in place has also been removed. Now we're just turning the keyed cylinder to remove it off completely. Once it's off, then you go to the interior of the latch to remove the actuator. The actual thumb turn has an Allen screw that you can remove with an Allen wrench, and right underneath it, once you see that thumb turn being removed, there's two tiny little Phillip head screws, which you're going to need as a small screwdriver as you can obtain, so you can remove those screws. And once you remove those screws, the entire faceplate for the actuator can come off. Now the only thing left to do on the Archetype latch is just to loosen up the screws that are holding it in place. There's one at the very top and at the bottom of the Archetype latch. Just unscrew them and the entire latch will come out. And then to put the new one, all you got to do is all the steps in reverse. Alright, so now we've placed the new latch in place and putting on the screws back on. And don't tighten them fully until you set the keyed cylinder in place. So right now you just want to line it with the holes and get the screws started. Okay, the reason we leave the screws loose is so you can have some play on that latch for it to slide up and down, so that when you start the keyed cylinder you can align the threads a lot more easily. Once you have those threads aligned, you can go ahead and just start turning it on, tightening in so it goes in as far as possible. Once you get that in there, then you can go ahead and tighten down the screws that are on the latch. So now we threaded in the keyed cylinder as far as it can go, but also you want that latch body to be centered in the opening, and that will tell you exactly where you want your keyed cylinder at. Once that's achieved, you can go ahead and tighten down the screws on the latch itself and place the set screw back where we removed it from. Now to finish it up, we're just going to place the faceplate back onto the front of the latch itself. And once you snap it in, the holes should line up perfectly. If they don't line up perfectly, then you have to remove the plate and align the latch itself so that they do align. Because if they don't, these screws strip out very easily when you're trying to put them on. And that's it. Just apply the screws back on and you're finished.